अरे तसं ना, तू देऊ नको ना.
मग तू घ्यायला पाहिजे होतास ना.
परत एकदा. ठीक आहे, चुकलं.
ऍक्च्युली काय झालं माहितीये का, फालतूगिरी झाली. तू बोलत होतास मी चांगलं रिएक्शन दिलं पाहिजे ना. मी ऐकत बसली होती तुझं. Hello everyone.
Hello.
In our today's video, we are going to review the perfumes from the brand Bellavita. So there are almost 3 collections from this brand. One is from the women,
One is from the men.
and the third one is the unisex one. So in our today's video,
I will be reviewing the men's collection, and at the end of the video I will be telling which one is my favorite, and also I will let you know which one I liked it from the women's collection.
hence at the end of this video, we will be ending up selecting 4 perfumes, 2 from the women collection, 2 from the men collection, that we would be selecting individually.
So let's get started.
The packaging is awesome actually.
Yes.
So we are starting with the women's collection. This is Date Woman. This is nice. Kind of a floral fragrance
floral
and
or
the
fruity fragrance, right? It is little bit sweet.
I agree with you actually. I agree with you.
Fruity smell.
This is kind of a fruity smell,
Yeah.
not floral.
This is kind of a fruity smell. Yes.
Let's go with the next one. This is Senorita Woman.
Senorita. Yeah, this is having a floral fragrance.
I didn't like this much. Okay, let's go with the next one. This is the Glam Woman. खूप मारते ना.
नहीं, ठीक है.
औषध.
She's really having a strong smell.
Yeah, this is quite
Quite
strong.
strong.
The next one is this Rose Woman.
Mm-hmm.
I have hopes from this one. I think I like this. Yeah, this is a good one. Proper floral fragrance.
This one is really nice and subtle as well.
It's not that strong, it's not that mild,
it's subtle. It's in between. Subtle and sweet.
Yeah. So, which one is your favorite among this?
Okay.
I'll just review one more time just to come to some conclusion.
I am already done with my decision.
Okay.
I think I liked Bellavita Senorita Woman. I guess that's the one fragrance I actually liked it. I'm not sure about Anjali. Anjali will tell her choice.
Before I would say which one I like, I would let you know which one I didn't like at all. So this is the one which I didn't like at all. This is literally giving me a feel of medicine. And yes, the one which I liked is Date Woman. Yeah, this is one of my favorite among this 4. So
Yeah.
Pratik is going with the Senorita Woman and I am going with the Date Woman. These are the 2 favorites from the women collection. So let's go ahead with the men's collection. Just look at the men's collection, almost all are same.
They don't have the color choices. They do have black and brown.
Okay, let's start with this. This
Okay.
is
Goat
Man. G.O.A.T. Man. What is the meaningful form of goat?
Greatest of all time.
Oh, is it? Okay, greatest of all time man perfume.
Really.
Ah, this is nice.
This is nice, but little bit on stronger side.
Yeah, this is a
this
strong
one is a stronger one.
Definitely.
This is having a stronger smell.
Then we are going with
Clubman.
Clubman.
Let's see.
This would be the one which I won't like.
Let's see. It is extreme strong smell actually.
It is very strong.
Very strong.
I don't like this smell at all.
Let's go to the oud perfume. Oud perfume, right? I don't know
Oud
like what is the
perfume.
pronunciation.
Let's go with the Oud perfume.
Oud perfume.
Agarbatti kind of smell.
Yeah, I
don't
agree.
know. Now the CEO man. I think I would like this one. This is nice. So, okay, first yours.
This one is very good.
This is mild.
Yeah, not mild one, but it has a subtle fragrance.
Yeah.
I really liked it.
Now I'm confused between two of them. One is the greatest of all time and one is the CEO man.
Yeah.
I'll just come to a conclusion after checking out both again. I'll go with CEO man.
Okay.
What is your choice?
I also like the same actually, CEO one. But if you ask me the second one, then I'll go with the goat man. This is something which I liked it.
Okay. Same for me.
Yeah.
But the number one favorite is the CEO man in the bellavita collection, men collection. So that
Yeah.
was all about the bellavita perfume men and women collection review. This costed us for 500 rupees each collection. 500 rupees.
Okay, please give your review in comment box there. Let us know like which one is your favorite from men's collection and women's collection.
Bye.
Bye bye.